It's here, it's here, it finally came. My iPhone SE finally arrived. I got the COVID Red, 256 gigs, and we're gonna do an unboxing. So get stoked, get excited. Here we go. Alright guys, are you as excited as I am for this? We have our new iPhone SE 256 gig COVID Red iPhone. It was delivered a day late, but that's alright. We'll still get this done and uploaded. So yeah, here's how the boxes come. Just a normal little guy box. Nothing too fancy, anything like that. So yeah, I probably cut the tape on that just so it was a little bit easier for us. So yeah, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. All right. So there's the phone inside the box there. It looks like they taped it down to some other cardboard and such. Let's go ahead and cut that out. Get rid of this here. All right, there's nothing underneath that cardboard there. But yeah, here's the box itself. It's got the nice, gorgeous red. Oh, that's awesome. 256 gigs, iPhone SE, earpods with the Lightning connector, Lightning USB cable, USB power adapter. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up here. Designed by Apple, California. There's all of our directions and such. Oh, that is gorgeous. Black front, red case. Oh, that's stunning. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. And I have AT&T, so I don't know if people like that or not. It is what it is. There's our headphones, our little charger cable, charger port. Wonder if there's nothing comes out of there. We'll put that right there for now. What else do we got in here? Red product. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver AIDS-free generation. Learn more at donate at www.red.org. That's weird. I thought online it said it was supposed to go to the COVID people, but either way, it's helping people, so that's awesome. Then we get our normal iPhone stickers. Nice. Welcome to your iPhone. That's the back of that. Your SIM ejector. All right, so that's it for the normal part of the unboxing. I just wanted to give you guys all a tip too. I went on Amazon and ordered one of these OtterBox Symmetry. This is actually from the iPhone 7 and it worked on the iPhone 8 as well. Best part about this is these cases are old, so I only paid $12 for it. If you look here, it says refurbished. The reason why they say that is basically it just means that somebody returned it to Amazon, the case was damaged or whatever. So it came in a brown box as opposed to the normal retail box. Nothing wrong with that. Still works perfectly fine. This is what I've been using on my iPhone 8 ever since first day I got it. So yeah, these things are amazing. Highly recommend it. I've tossed these against walls as a joke, thrown it against my smoker, had it drop out of my pocket, just hit the cement, phone was completely fine. These things are amazing. Yeah, best case ever. Go buy one. All right, so now we'll just run through some tech specs on this thing. Capacity comes in 3. Also comes in 3 separate colors. So we got black, white, and then the red. Capacity is going to be 64 gigs, 128 gigs, and then 256 gigs. Size and height, we got 5.45 inches, width 2.65 inches, depth 0.29 inches. So it's the same as the iPhone 7, iPhone 8. Display 4.7 inches across. Comes with the Retina HD display. Let's see what else we got on here. A13 chip. So basically it's got the same guts as the iPhone 11, but it's just in the smaller size, which is perfect for me because those plus sizes they're just too big for one hand. You have to use, 2 hands to use it, and I don't like that. So yeah, 12 megapixel wide camera. Let's see here, video recording, which is amazing. 4K, 60 frames a second. 1080p you can do at 30 or 60 frames a second. 720 you can do at 30 frames a second. Front camera 7 megapixels. Let's see here what else. And then here's my favorite part. This does not have Face ID. This has the fingerprint sensor built into the home button, which is amazing. Facial ID I feel is terrible. I do not like that. Plus I wear glasses and stuff, so my face doesn't always get recognized, picked up that great. So yeah, I'd rather have the fingerprint sensor, which is the way to go. You can still use Apple Pay on this. And the carriers for this is going to be AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, whoever you got, you can get the phone through, which is awesome. The reason I use the 256 gigs is because I do video recording on these, obviously. And then let's see what else we got on here. Siri obviously is on there. Power and battery lasts about the same as an iPhone 8, which is nothing, it's to be expected. It's not the bigger size, so they're going to have the smaller battery in it. Video playback about 8 hours if you stream. Audio playback 40 hours, which is awesome. And then yeah, that's about it for just the main tech specs. It's a great phone. I've been waiting for this, and the price is right, people. Like, these are so cheap. It is insane. My little Osmo action camera was like almost $400, $300, and that does 4K 60 frames a second. And this phone actually is way better camera than most even normal, like, just photography cameras and stuff out right now. Like, this is the way to go. I was waiting for an iPod Touch, but they came out with this instead, so it was an instant buy for me. And in red, you can't go wrong with red. Red is just awesome. Yeah, so if you do like this video, feel free to give me a like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And then yeah, I'll put the phone on in its case, and then I will throw it on a base here, and then we'll get some good close-up photos and stuff for you guys, so you can take a look at the phone itself in all its red, beautiful glory. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of the day.